Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. I'm beautiful. Say hello. Aw. Let me tell you something. Let me get a little closer so I can know that you see me. I'm going to talk to you. Yeah, you in there. Listen up. My name is Amora. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hi, beautiful. Where you going? You're good? I'm good too. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, sweet girl. Yeah. You what? I love you too. I love you too. Yeah, I do. Yeah, you're so sweet. Yeah, Daddy loves you. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Can you show me a serious face? I want to see a serious face. It's serious. Okay. Apple, dabble, dabble. Chow mein bean. Oh, oh yeah, you. Yeah, like I was saying. Oh, never mind. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm just hanging out with my dad. Yeah, and you're hanging out with my dad. Yeah, we're just sitting here. Yeah. Uh-huh. He's over there. Yeah. Oh yeah. You. Listen. I'm gonna tell you something really quick, cause it's hard. You're hard of hearing, so I'm gonna tell you right now. My name is Amora Carenza Jackson, and I'm hanging out with my dad. Okay, and I see you there. I see you in there looking at me, and you're trying to figure out if I'm as cute as I think I am, or if I'm cuter. I'm probably cuter because I'm pretty cute, right? I'm pretty cute. So I want to get a good close look at you. That's why I'm leaning up. And then, yeah, you. Say, I'm gonna go now. Yeah, are you okay? You hear me? I'm gonna go now. So I'll talk, I'll talk to you. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Yeah, one.